Your iPhone 15 is a powerful tool. You use it all day long. Sometimes you need to turn it off. This might be for troubleshooting, saving battery, or just taking a break. There are a few different ways to power down your iPhone 15. This essay will guide you through each method. We'll look at the classic button combination. We'll also explore how to turn off your phone through the settings menu. Finally, we'll touch upon some advanced options like Siri and AssistiveTouch. Let's get started. The power button on your iPhone 15 is an important key to your device's functionality. It does more than just turn your phone on and off. It plays a crucial role in your daily interactions with the device. It can also wake your phone, put it to sleep, and even activate Siri with a simple press and hold. Understanding its various functions is key to mastering your device and making the most out of your iPhone 15. You'll find the power button conveniently located on the right side of your iPhone 15. It's a small, elongated button that's easy to find by touch, even without looking. A single press will wake your phone or put it to sleep, making it quick and easy to manage your screen. Pressing and holding the power button will bring up additional options, such as shutting down or restarting your device. Turning off your iPhone 15 using the buttons is simple. First, press and hold both the power button and either volume button. Hold these buttons down simultaneously. After a few seconds, a slider will appear on your screen. This slider says "Slide to power off." Use your finger to swipe the slider across the screen. Your iPhone 15 will then begin to power down. The screen will turn black, and your phone will shut off completely. Section 4. Troubleshooting. When the buttons don't cooperate. Sometimes the buttons on your iPhone 15 might not respond as expected. This can be frustrating, especially when you need to use your phone urgently. Don't worry, there are a few things you can try to fix this issue. First, make sure your fingers are clean and dry. Dirt or moisture can affect the touch sensitivity of the buttons. Moisture can interfere with the button's sensitivity, making them less responsive. If the buttons are still unresponsive, try restarting your phone. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches that might be causing the issue. This often resolves minor software glitches and can get your buttons working again. If the problem persists, you might have a hardware issue. This could be due to wear and tear or a manufacturing defect. In this case, it's best to contact Apple support for assistance. They can provide further troubleshooting steps or arrange for a repair if necessary. Section 5. The Settings Shortcut. Powering down through software. You can also turn off your iPhone 15 through the settings menu. This is a handy alternative if you're having trouble with the physical buttons. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, navigate to the General Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the General Settings menu. You'll find an option labeled Shutdown. Tap on this option to proceed. Section 6. Beyond the Basics. Siri, AssistiveTouch, and seeking further assistance. There are even more ways to turn off your iPhone 15. Let's explore some of these convenient methods. If you have Siri enabled, you can simply ask her to turn off your phone. Siri is designed to make your life easier. Just say, "Hey Siri, turn off my phone." It's that simple and efficient. Siri will take care of the rest. But that's not all. AssistiveTouch provides another option for those who prefer a more tactile approach. This feature adds a virtual button to your screen, making it accessible at all times. You can customize this button to perform a variety of tasks, including powering off your phone. It's a versatile tool for enhancing your iPhone experience. And if you're ever unsure about anything, don't hesitate to visit our blog at www.USATechDeals.com. Just search for "How to Turn Off iPhone 15" and the article will pop up. Our blog is packed with tips and tricks. We're here to help you get the most out of your device. Subscribe to our channel to access more tutorials like this. Happy exploring! Enjoy discovering all the amazing features your iPhone 15 has to offer.